How to transfer money using Amex safely. So if you want to transfer money using Amex safely, then just watch this video. Transferring money using American Express can be a secure and convenient process. So follow these steps to ensure a safe transaction. Step 1 is to create an account. Visit the American Express website or app and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Provide the necessary personal information and verify your identity. Second step is to link your bank account. Once your account is set up, link your bank account or credit card to your American Express account. This will allow you to transfer funds easily. Make sure to verify the linked account through the provided methods. Third step is to choose the transfer method. Decide how you want to transfer your money. You can use services like American Express Send and Split or other options available in your account. Review the fees and limits associated with each method. Step 4 is to enter your recipient details. Input the recipient's information, including their email address or phone number depending on the transfer method. Double check the details to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Fifth step is to confirm and complete the transfer. Review the transaction details, including the amount and recipient information. Once everything is correct, confirm the transfer, and you should receive a confirmation notification once the transaction is complete. So by these steps, you'll be able to transfer money using your American Express safely. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.